we just write a code that will print hello 10 times. So here, the main things, focus on here. So it's called for loop. So we have two types of loop mainly. One is for and another is, I think I need to buy a new computer. I don't know why. W is that why. So this is two types of loop. So first is most common loop is for loop. It is in general. So in for loop, what we are saying here, we are saying to Java, try to understand this one, it's very simple. We are trying to understand, tell Java or any programming language, do something less than equal to 10 times. That means in the loop, we are declaring I, we already know what is variable. So we're declaring I is 1. Then we are checking I because our goal is here. Let me write it first. Print hello. Ten times. So that is our goal. So these things, class and main method, we already know it is the syntax of Java, but focus on here. So if I ask Java to write hello 10 times, then we have to declare a loop, must, first one. So it is called for loop. For loop is started with for always, and inside for loop, there is three things. Semicolon, semicolon. So one thing, two things, and three things. So first part is what? First part is a starting point where loop will be starting. Okay. And second part is the condition. J loop is meet my condition or not. Our condition is here 10 times. So that is actually checking our initial value is less than equal to 10 or not. Okay. And that one actually increase the value of I. So what it is happening here, first we declare int I equals to 1 because I asked run it 10 times. Okay. So I just take a value, take a variable is called I and give it value 1. So the next time what I have to check if I is smaller than, that's called a smaller than sign, and if we put equals to, that means equal sign. So I have to check my condition is fulfilled or not. Okay, it checked. Then I have to make the value increase. I have to increase the I value 1 by 1. So I have to do like this. I equals to I plus 1. That means same thing.
I have a quick question. So if the beginning is 1, but why not beginning 0?
Okay, I'm going for this too. So these are the same thing. I equals to I plus 1 and I plus plus same thing. Increment. So here, first we started a loop. Inside loop, we actually declare an index. Value is 1. And these I actually compare with our target value. Yeah, it is smaller than 10 or not. Then I automatically increase 1. So how it is working? So now Java come here. It got I equal to 1. Fine. Then it actually checked I smaller than 10 or not. Okay. If this value is true, then it will come here. Remember, that is important for for loop. Whenever these things is true, then it is not going here. So whenever the middle one is true, it is going to the statement line. Clear? So if a statement is fulfilled, where a statement is finished, in the curly bracket, this curly bracket. So this is the loop scope. This curly bracket and this curly bracket is called this for loops scope. Here we declare one for loop, and this for loops scope is this bracket and this bracket. Okay. Whenever the program finish this statement and come to this curly bracket, that means it is the last line of loop. So it will come back to here. It will come back to here, then it will add one loop. Add one with the existing I. Existing I is what? 1. So it will add 1 with my existing value of I. So my existing value of I is 1. So it comes to the last line of the code of the loop block, hit the second curly bracket, then goes back to here. So in here, it will add 1. That means now I is 2. Then from the right side, in the beginning, it is comparing from the left to right. Now all comparison will happening for right to left. So now it is 2. Now 2 is comparing with this value. So is 2 is greater than or equal to 10? Yes, it's true. If it is true, then it come back again here. Whenever it execute, it come back to here. So it is the last line of the loop. So whenever it hits the last line, it will come back again here. Now it will be 3, and 3 compared with 10 is a small. Then print out this line, hit second bracket. When it hits second bracket, curly bracket, come here. It will be 4, then compare, print. Then again here, then 5, compare here, then 6, 7 here. Then come to 8, compare. 8 is smaller than equal to 10, smaller than equal to 10, right? So print out this one, then come here. Again, 9 plus 1, now 9. 9 is smaller than equal to 10. Print this one, come here. Now is important. So now come here, goes to here. Now 9 plus 1 equal to 10. Come here, compare. 10 smaller than equal to 10. Yeah, it's true. Because not a smaller, 10 is equal to 10. True. Come here, print it out. Then come here. Now come here. So now it will add 10 plus 1. That means 11. So now it will be comparing. 11 is smaller than equal to 10? No, it's false, right? Are you following me? So if it is false, if it is not true, false, then Java or any programming language skip the loop. Skip the loop means this block. Automatically, this block will be skipping and come to here. So if I write here, like anything, if I write here anything, this end of the loop. In interview question, this type of things actually they will give little bit tricky, not that complex. So you have to understand clearly. So end of the loop. So now when it is 10 here, it goes to here, become 11, then it will be comparing 11 is smaller than equal to 10, is false. Whenever it false, it will skip this block. This means loop block, and it will execute the immediate next statement of that loop block. That means it will be printing this one. Clear? We have to clear every single things, or we will repeat again and again, no problem. Ashraf, you should. Yeah.
Clear,
Yeah.
it's 100% clear.
That's font size
Yeah,
more.
Ashraf, I tried, but it is not working. I don't know why.
Preference
Preference আমি গেছি, but it is not working. I can try again. So preference service side. Oh, no, sorry. Yeah.
No, 1000 font size.
Nice, okay. I have. I give it, but IntelliJ has problem to me right now. I don't know. It's too small, Ashraf.
That's fine. That's fine.
Let me try again, just a minute. But you guys understand, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Haya?
if
Yeah,
it's
tell me.
possible, just one more time, I just get
Yeah,
it.
you guys have to clear with this. Just a minute. Where is the font size display? Let's see. Yeah, I did it. It is not working. Maybe my IntelliJ is backdated. That's why. Let me try again. You remember last week it was working. The font size was big last time. Okay, explain one more time. Ashraf, you see anything or you totally don't see anything?
No, I'm seeing. Yeah. Now I understand. That's fine.
It's fine, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me explain again if you don't understand. So for loop has three parts. First one is initialization. Second part is condition, checking the condition is true or not. And third part is increment, is actually increment the index value. So starting value, then starting value compare with our target value. Target value is 10 times. And here we have to increment the initial value so that initial value hit the target value after executing the code. Executing the command, right? So initial value compare with 10. It is smaller than equal to 10. Whenever it is true, then goes to loop block. Whenever loop block finish, all statement finish, hit the last curly bracket, then it goes to increment block. In the increment, every time it will be increase one by one. So first time it was 1, now it is 2. Whenever it is 2, it will be comparing with our target value again. So it is true. 2 is smaller than 10. So go here and hit here. Whenever it hit here, come back again here. So these things is continue. So things like now 9, it become 9. So now here, come here, then it is 9, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 compared to 10, that means equals 10 equals to 10 is true. Come here, then it hit here, then come here. Look. So whenever 10 fulfill, then it's true. Until true, it will be actually executing. So come here. Now here 10 plus 1 equal to 11. Now comparing 11 and 10. So 11 is greater than 10. That means this condition is false. Whenever this condition is false in for loop, Java or any programming language will not go to the loop inside this curly bracket. It will be jumping to the next line after the code, after the block. That is the simple thing. So you understand right now where any question you can ask the question, not a specific question, not ask whole things. So which part you didn't understand, just ask me. I will explain. Whenever you are 100%, because that is very basic things, then it will be little complex. We will add those things, but you have to understand these things first. Ashraf, Washim should have no problem, but yeah, you can. Which part you didn't understand?
No. Now I understand. Yeah, when I practice, then I can. Yeah, and now I
No, you
understand.
don't need to practice. Here you have to understand 100%. Tell me,
Yeah,
which one?
there is a three part. Yeah, I understand. There's a three part. One is initialize the value, like means variable, declare the variable, and then second part is for condition, like see this condition is meet with the statement. If it's a meet, then code is going to the print, and after print that, then it's go back to the third part.
No,
That is
not after print. Suppose here another statement. Okay. Give me an example. Why it is disturbing? Why I don't need this. I have show context actions. Bullshit. Here, another statement. Okay, that's three statement. Hello,
Welcome.
welcome, and
Java or SDET.
or bye is fine.
Yeah.
Or continue. Yeah, continue.
Okay, now you have to understand here which one is be executed here. Is a good example here. Let's see.
Okay. Now again, go to again. I said print. Now is not confusing things.
Print 10 times. So which line will be printed? Now there is a 3 line.
Okay, now make it a different way. Print, not print. Print, okay, run the loop 10 times. It will be good example. Now, that is different one. Okay, now I'm saying run the loop 10 times. If this loop run 10 times, what will happen? We'll see. Okay, so now come here. So I have to run the loop 10 times. And in 10 times, the loop will doing whatever inside the block, right? If it is a logic, it will fulfill the logic. If it is a statement, it will print out the statement, whatever. Here could be thousands of lines. Here could be calling another function. Here could be calling different things. But that is complex things. Just try to understand the basic things. So I need to run the loop 10 times. So how I starting the loop? I need index. First, I need index for loop. In terms of for loop, I'm saying. So you need index first. So three things you need. First, you need index. Second things you need, second part. This one is called condition.
Index. Should I say it's a variable? Declare the variable?
It's called index, loop index. Yeah, it's a variable. Just name is index, but it's actually variable, right?
It's a variable, but in for loop, it is called index.
Index or whatever. Yeah. So just try to say index, initial index, or but it's a 100% variable because it is holding a value. Then increment. That part is increment. So three parts.
So my question is now there is a 3 line of code. Which one will be, which loop can run 10 times? All of them?
Yeah, we will run it. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, so I didn't run, that's why. So we try to understand, visualize it. We will run later. When we understand, we will run it. So now, okay, so first index. So our goal is create a loop that will be running 10 times. So now, if I want to run a loop 10 times, I have to declare index. That is the first thing, no matter what, for loop. You can start with 1, you can start with 0. Right? We start with 1. Okay. If we start with 1, remember, so count it 1, 2, 3, 4, that means 10. I need to run it 10. That means I have to write smaller than equal to 10. If I take I equal to 0, in that case, I have to write 10 I smaller than 10. Why? Tell me. Because count it. 0 to 9 equal to 10, right? It's very conceptual, right? Sorry, very basic mathematics. Lots of people make a mistake here. Like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exactly, right?
Yep.
So if I start with 1, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See the difference? No difference here. Both are 10, equal to 10. 10, count is 10, right? COUNT, count is 10. Okay, total equal to 10 numbers. Total is 10 number. Same thing here. Try to understand the differences.
So condition basically run
Okay.
through the.
Now, Baya, you should be clear. So if we start with 0 for loop index, you have to put a smaller than sign, not equal to, you can put, then it will be 11, right? If you put a smaller than equal to 11, sorry, a smaller than equal to sign, it will be here. A smaller than equal to means 10. So count it. How many digit number is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it will be printing 11 times then. Always remember, if you start your index with 0, then you can't use a smaller than equal to. If you start your index with 1, then you have to put a smaller than equal to. It's very, a basic math, right?
Yeah, it's a logic. Yeah, it's logic. If you start from 0, then you have to keep it less than or equal to 9. Or if you start from 1, then you have to keep it less than or equal to 10. Yeah, it's logic. Yeah.
Yeah. So you understand, Bhaia?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. So now what we are saying here, so index is 1, then index is smaller than equal to 10, then we are not going here. If it is true, then we come here, we print this line, fine. Then automatically, remember, why these things is coming? Let me don't show this to, okay, good. So then goes to this line. Java is always execute line by line. Remember this one, JavaScript not. I told in the first class. So then come to here. Whenever it's finished, then come to here. So it will see it is the last second curly bracket of this loop. Whenever it get the second curly bracket of the loop, it will be going here. Why it will be going here? Because this condition was true when this loop was executing. So whenever it is true, it will execute all those code here inside the block and hit the curly bracket, second curly bracket, and must goes to here. Whenever it goes to her, 1 is increased. Now it is 2. Then validate this condition is true. Then execute this one, this one, this one. Hit this one, come to here. So now think it is 10 right now or 9. So whenever 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 is smaller than equal to 10 is true. Execute this one, this one, this one. Then hit this one. Then come here. Now 10 plus 1 is 11. Compare this one. Is false. Whenever it is false, then it will skip this curly bracket, this curly bracket. That means block. This for block will be skipped, and Java and programming language automatically execute the immediate line of immediate line after the second curly bracket or after the for block. That's simple. So now run it. You will see.
Okay, click one more time. Yeah.
That is the issue actually. The file name is not correct. It's fine. It's okay. Now it's fine. Look what is happening here. First time. Hello. Okay. So for your understanding, I can do one more things for you guys. So instead of this, I can put. Okay, huh? Then we'll see how many blocks will be done in here. You see. Now it's good, right? That is first block. When I equal to 1. Second block. I equal to 2. I equal to 3. I equal to 4. I equals to 5. I equals to 6. I equals to 7, I equals to 8, I equals to 9, I equals to 10, means I am here. I equals to 10, right? Hit it here. Then it goes to here. Now I equals to 11. 11 is false. 11 is a smaller, greater than 10. That means it's false. It will be not going to this loop. It skip all the statement inside these two brackets. It will be skipping inside these two brackets, this one and this one, and directly goes to this line after the loop block. You see? End of the loop. Got it. We can actually, I can help you out here. Another one. So I'm just adding step by step so that you guys are
Okay, টুইন ভাই
হ্যাঁ,
আপনি ফাইলে যান, ফাইলে গিয়ে সেটিং এ ক্লিক করেন।
ওকে একটু বড় করে দেবো সেটা
ফাইলে যান, সেটিং,
ফাইলে সেটিং করি ফাইল সেটিং
সেটিং উপরে আছে, সেটিং আছে। আপনি সেটিং চার্জ দেন, সেটিং তো আছে
ফাইল প্রপার্টিস
ফাইলে, সেটিংস নাই কেন আপনার?
না না
ফাইল
আমি তো ফাইলে আছি
না ফাইল মডিউলে যান, সেটিংস।
নো মাই ওয়ান ইজ ম্যাক আসলে
ও সেটিংস খুঁজে পারবেন, সেটিংস এর মধ্যে আপনার ইয়েটা আছে,
নো আদার আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
এডিটর।
ফাইন্ড ইট আউট জাস্ট এ মিনিট ফাইল প্রপার নো it should be here somewhere
Yeah, setting,
okay it
click the
should be
setting.
here okay let's see it is working or not
Yeah, appearance.
okay
Zoom 100%, make it maybe 120.
but it should be working control and plus. I try control and plus, it is not working. So here maybe font. Okay. So it's, file. Okay. Let's see. There should be text or something.
এডিটর ফন্ট,
Font.
yeah below editor, click on editor,
Editor.
see the font, yeah, right here.
Okay, got it. Okay. Let's see.
Put in 15
I
size.
make
15 or 16,
15 will be working for you.
yeah, that's fine.
And let's see.
Apply,
It's good for
okay,
you. It's good.
yeah,
Good.
yes.
It's fine. I think it's yeah. We don't need to more bigger than the box. Yeah, it's fine.
Or I should make this gap is remove these gaps. I think remove the gap is fine. Let me remove the gaps. 1.2. Yeah, now it's better. Now it's better. Okay. Ashraf, you can see now?
Yes.
Okay. So now I'm adding one more line. So here I want to print out the I here. I want to see the iteration number. Then it will be easy to you understand. So how I can, here all are string. So in Java, if I want to print string, I have to put double quote, and inside double quote, I have to put the string. So how about the number? Number, you don't need to put double quote. But how about a variable? Tell me anybody. So for string, we have to put double quote. We are learning everything for doing exercise. That is better. So for string, if you want to put something, you have to put like this. For number, you don't need to put anything.
Yes.
Just number you can put 556. It will print out. Okay. Now question is for variable. I want to put the value of I. I don't know the value of I what, right? So program automatically detect the value of I. So if I put I, it's fine, because I is already declared here in the block. You see? So now what will happen? I equal to 1. So this is true. Whenever I equal to 1 is fine, then this condition is true, then it comes to here. The first time it will get this statement and it will print the value of I. So I can do, I am doing all those things for purpose so that you will learn it. So now I, what is I? Give a good name of this I. Put the index number, the execution number. Okay, the execution number.
When I have a question, when we write the I, why we not use the double quoted?
Okay, that is good
Yeah.
question. Yeah, I said in last class, when I print in Java, just think about Java right now. If we need to print any string, then string means any,
Double quoted.
yeah,
That's
anything,
fine.
not number, right? That is called string. So we have to put double quote, like hello or something, yeah, like this, right?
That remember, yeah.
Okay. If I want to print a number, then I have to directly print the number.
This is also fine, yeah, but I'm talking about the I.
If I want to print a variable, because this variable is not a number, not a string, it holding a value. It might be string, might be number. We don't need to care about this because we already declare it. It is an integer, right? So we don't need to worry about this. What type of is it? We already declare, right? So whenever you declare a variable and assign a value of this variable, you can directly use this variable.
Okay.
So I already declared the data type. Data type of variable is int and value is int. Value is 1. So fine. So I don't need to think about this. This variable is 100% valid to use directly anywhere inside this block. Outside this block, nobody will actually know this very important thing. So today we learn lots of things, but form a simple program. Okay?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so here.
So when variable is declared, we can directly print the variable.
Exactly. So I can print it right now here. Okay?
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, let me run it. We'll modify this program lots of times so that we will understand all those simple concepts.
But one more thing, before print, I just have a question. So when you click the print, it should be show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
It is your question. Tell me what it will show.
So because I equal to 1. So when you run 1, so print it should be I value is 1. Yeah, it should be 1 to 1 to 9, 1 to 10.
1 to
10.
Okay. Why 1 to 10?
Because
Because
I will.
Yeah, it's smaller than or equal to, that's why,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So run it.
Let's see.
You see, you're right. 1, hello, welcome. Then continue, right? Same thing. Then last one is 10. You see? Then 11th, the 11th number, always it will be execute one more time, right? So 10 is 5. Then hit here, then come here, increase, because one more time means increase one value with I. So it become 11. Then it actually test it. Its test failed, condition failed, it jumped to here. Simple. Everybody should understand. But you are 100% clear, right?
Yeah, I think, yeah, I understand. Yeah.
No think, nothing. Just
No. I understand.
Yeah. So now we use a variable to print. So now lots of times, actually 100, not 100 times, every times we can print variable like this. In Java world, we have to mix up with string and variables. Normally, it's just common sense. How can you write it? If I want to write the index value or the first iteration or kind of this, right? How can we write it? We have to, suppose we need to add an index with this variable, sorry, a string with this variable. So you have to put double quote, remember. Then inside this double quote, you have to write the index number, or iteration number. Iteration. Which one is better for you, index number or iteration? Iteration is better, right? Because we are iterating. Iteration number.
Iteration.
Okay. So iteration number, normally what you want to put? One equals sign, right? Then we have to look. Okay, I will run it so that you will know the difference. So now I is red, you see? That means whenever we mixed up with the string and variable in print statement, so there should be additional stuff we have to do. It's called concatenation, right? Everybody heard about this, string concatenation. We are learning these things, doing these things. So keep it in mind and watching this video, because if we read it theoretically, nobody will understand, or you will understand, you will forget. But if we actually learn through doing something, it will be, very clear. So it's called string concatenation. So in Java world, how can we do string concatenation? We have to put a plus sign. You see, it's gone. So this is a string and this is a variable. Whenever you mixed up string with a variable, then you have to put a plus sign. Just simple. Keep it in mind. Okay? So now run it. Okay.
Same thing, just only iteration number is written.
Yeah, now try to understand the small details also. Iteration number equal to 1. Now we added iteration number. So there is a problem. So you see there is a space between equal sign and number, but normally we should put a space between 1 and equal sign. It's look good, right? So for this case, just remember, you need to put a space here. It will be working. Or you can do other thing. I can show you. You can put, this is one way, and second way in Java is little complicated for these things. And second way, you can put a plus sign, and you can put double quote, and you can put a space because it is string 2, and this one. So this call also string concatenation. So I just add a extra space between I and equals to sign. Run it.
Why not we can a little bit the number after number?
No, it's not why not. I'm just giving the example. I'm just showing you. This is the way to do it, because lots of time you need to do it this one, and lots of times you need to do it other thing, other way. So you have to know it. Look, now my space is here. You see? A space is here. One space is added. So better for this kind of situation, don't need to put extra one, but in other situation we have to put. Then here, just give a space, it will be working. You see, it is working. So tell everybody clear till now? Give thumbs up, it's fine. Or yes, it's fine. Then I can proceed little by little advance. Awesome, good. Okay. Baya, you said you are good too. Now come here. Normally in for loop, we declare the index inside the for loop. So there sometimes, not sometimes, lots of times, we need to declare this variable. Like if I remove int here, look, I is red. Why? Why I is red?
Because we
We
remove
are
the
not
type.
declared the what is called that one?
Data type.
The data type, yes. We are not
Okay.
declared data type.
So in Java, you must have to declare a variable with type, right? So I have to declare it must int. If you declare the index before the loop, outside the loop, you have to declare it first. You have to declare its type too. I, then semicolon. It should be working. I is a type, integer type, then you can assign the value of I.
The good practice is for outside the loop or inside the loop.
Inside the loop, but sometimes you need to do it outside the loop. Okay, run it, it will be running same. No problem, no issue. I will give you a couple of example. It's important. So it's running, same thing. Now my question, if that is question to Ashraf, let's see. If I put I equal to 1 here, then and remove these things from here, what will happen? Ashraf, tell me.
Oh,
You have to
yeah,
remove the
it
semicolon.
also it will be working.
Yeah, it will be working because it is valid. Right? Why it is valid? Because just I'm
We
giving
put
example because
the
in the
semicolon,
interview,
right?
lots of times they give this type of things. Why it is valid?
We
Remove the
put the
semicolon.
semicolon.
Now tell me
Oh,
why it is valid. Yeah, you are 100% right. It is valid. Run it is valid. You see?
It's,
The valid thing. Same result it is.
read
Because
one
it will
time.
start from 100 and we'll check the condition again, 10, and then it will do an increment. So it is the same thing.
It is the same thing, right? So
because of
here,
the curly bracket, because the you can index declared under the second curly bracket. That's why.
no. Here nothing about related to curly bracket. Here thing is in for loop, this for loop, that is important. For loop, come here, for loop. If valid for loop, structure is like this. That's why I actually give this example. These things is very, very important, although for concept. A valid for loop is like this. Okay. Let me do, okay, here is fine. So valid for loop for, actually I don't need curly bracket right now. Remove it. So semicolon is fine. A valid for loop is like this. One semicolon, two semicolon. Let me do here. That will be good. Okay. I need to declare another for loop. Just assume. So if I write for, then if I write this, it throws me error. Then if I put a semicolon, also throws me error. If I put one semicolon, then another semicolon is gone. You see, Ashraf?
What does it mean?
I'm going step by step. Ashraf, you see, right?
Yes.
So if anybody asks you, write a valid for loop or give these things and ask you, is it a valid for loop or valid code? You have to remember, yes, it is a valid for loop. So for loop, if it has two semicolon inside this, it is fine. Semicolon means here is a statement, blank statement, doesn't matter what. And here is a statement, doesn't matter what. And then increment, you didn't put anything. And in the for loop block is empty, nothing inside, but still valid. So that is the structure of for loop. But if you run these things, nothing will happen. But it is a valid statement. Just keep it in mind. So if you keep it in mind and if you go here, then you will understand clearly. So in here, we declare I equal to 1. Very good. So we started a for loop. So it's come in the first statement. So first statement is valid because for loop structure is like this. So one semicolon is fine. So it says a valid statement. Fine, no problem. Whenever it is valid, then it will jump to the condition. Then in the condition, it is saying I is smaller than equal to 10 because I is here 1 and is smaller than equal to 10. Fine, it's valid. Then it's come to here, come to here, come to here, come to here.
But if you remove the first semicolon, then it's a red. Can you
Of
remove
course.
that semicolon?
Of course, it will be red. Come here. If you remove it, you see it's red.
Oh, so if you declare the variable before loop, then you have to have semicolon inside the loop, no?
No. It is not related to these things. It is related to your concept. I am not, is nothing memorized, just everything is logical. Yeah. So if you declared the loop, index outside the loop, or sorry, outside the first bracket in for loop, then you don't need to rewrite it here because it is a valid statement. If you put blank, it is valid in for loop. Got it? Okay. Now, tell me, anybody. I just remove it. And I put it because we see double semicolon is valid statement in Java. So in a for loop. So if I put 2 semicolon and run this statement, what will happen now?
Nothing.
You said nothing, Ashraf?
No, basically not nothing. It should be only one
Just
will print.
don't Google nothing. Just think about this. If
Yeah.
we clear the concept here, you will see in any interview, they will give this type of exercise. You can easily solve it. We are focusing
Yeah,
on solve. We are not
it's
getting to
print.
the
I think print just everything print one time.
Okay, he said one time. Bias said nothing.
I think one time. Yeah.
What Washim?
I don't think it will print because the eye is red, so I don't think it will print.
No, I is not red. Where? Okay, you are saying this eye, right? Oh, okay. For your information, I am making I. Yeah, you are right in this case, but I am making I green. Okay, now tell me.
It will print it only one time. I guess only one time.
Okay,
Need to
so you said one time, and Baya said make it like this. So here what will happen? I equal to 1, fine. Come to for loop. For loop is valid, right?
Yes.
And then print it this one, print this one, print this one, print this one, right?
Yes.
Come to here. It is also valid. If it is
Yes.
valid, it is jump to here. Nothing will happen. It's come to here. Nothing to compare. Valid. Come here, here again. Again valid.
Oh, got you.
Jump to here. It is valid. It is valid. Come to here. It is valid. So
Infinite times.
it will be running infinitive time.
Yeah.
It's called never-ending loop.
Never ending loop. Got you.
If I run it, I think immediately I have to shut down, otherwise my computer will be slow.
No, don't need to, because then your computer will be crashed here.
No, not crash. I can kill the terminal, but you can try your side. Ashraf, you said 1. Why? Give me the logic. We have to clear these things, guys. Otherwise, you will see easily we'll get job if we clear these things.
Yeah, this is infinitive. Yeah.
Yeah, that is infinitive. Because it's a valid loop. So the condition is for loop. If the condition is invalid, jump out from the loop. But condition is true. Until the condition is true, the loop will be continue running, right?
Hmm.
Okay, that means it will be infinite loop. But thing is, here is another question. If it is infinite loop, but the value of this line, what will printing this line? What will be output for this line for every iteration?
Only one.
Tell me, everybody. Suppose this loop will be running like millions times. I didn't kill it. It will be
So
running.
it's a 1 1. Only one unlimited time. Only one.
Yeah, right?
Yes.
Okay. So for this line, all lines will be the same, but the loop will be iterating like millions times until I shut it down.
Got you.
Got it.
Got it.
So yeah, and what else I can show? Yeah, okay, fine.
No, you can show the for loop twice, like for twice.
I'll go, but that is that. Follow my you're telling follows, but you are clear with this?
Yes.
Okay. If you are clear, then we are going to another example. Remove it. Keep it this. Okay. Now, let me write something else. Okay. Okay. Very basic one. Write Java code. Write Java code. To print to 1 to 10 and sum and what I can say, count or summation. Yeah. Let's see what it is coming. Okay, it gives what I want. Fine. So now go to here. We don't need, we just need to create a new one. What is the name of this? Add numbers. Always remember, Java is
Case sensitive.
yeah. Okay, and file name should be the class name, and it should be capital letter.
But
So
other two languages, all of the small letter, no?
yeah,
JavaScript.
today we can go jump in JavaScript, but maybe in the next class, because I'm giving the concept, the loop concept is same everywhere. So try to get the concept, then we'll jump Python and JavaScript. So this is my loop. What it is doing? This is doing what? Same concept. 1 to 10, it will be printing. Okay, you guys tell me what it will actually give me.
Because you start from 0, so if you print the 10, then it should be 11, because it's a 10 equal 10 less than equal.
No. I'm saying actually what it will give us. Everything is fine here. So my question was, okay, I think you don't understand the problem. Here, actually, I am going to write a program. This program will be giving me actually print me the number from 1 to 10. All number will be displaying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As well as it will be adding this number. Like 1, first number is 1, then 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 3 plus 3, it will be 6, like this. So I am asking to Java, write a program to print all 1, 2, 3, like, 3 until 10. It will give me 10. And second thing, I gave it to write a program, it will add up. Add up means what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 equal to what? The final number, right? The result. So I actually asked to print these things and the final number. Got it? Everybody understand the question?
Sum equal to
Yes, we did. Yeah.
Okay. The question is here. So the last example, what we see, they print out 1 to 10. Same thing, still we keep here, print 1 to 10. In addition, we added sum up all those numbers and give the final result.
That means I value, increasing I value.
Think like seeing the program. Don't think arbitrarily. So the number one thing to learn programming, you have to understand the problem first. Then you have to visualize the code. What code is doing? Tell me how is code this code is doing here. Anybody has Ashraf should understand. So I'm not going to ask him, but Wasim. So what this program is doing and how. Okay, let me explain.
Okay.
Okay, so my first problem is this one. So it should be display 1, 2, 3, right? 3,
Yeah.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So these things we already learned from previous problem. So these things is solving here. So first I need a iteration index. So this index is I and I equal to 1. Index is fine because I have to print 10, 1 to 10. So same thing, we compare I smaller than equal to 10 or not. Then we print out the number. It's fine, it is printing out.
Yes.
Like this, like hide it. It is commenting out. Learn it. It is if you want to skip any line or any block of code, you have to give double slash. And if I commented out this line, then that is unnecessary. Still, it is not harmful. Keep it there, and we don't need it. For my first issue, I don't need it. Even I don't need it. First issue, right? That is
Yes.
that is my
So
first problem.
yeah, it will print from 1 to 10.
Yeah, run it. We are doing very
Only numbers from 1 to 10.
only
Yeah.
number 1 to 10, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now learn another thing. These things is printing one by one. Sometimes if we want to print side by side, then what you have to do? Just simple, keep it in mind. Here we write println. Print is fine, but
Yeah.
ln is new line.
Next line. Yeah. Next line. Yeah. New
Next line. So new line is started. So delete
ln. Remove ln. Then it will print
ln, then
next
print
line.
it. It will be printing side by side. So
Yeah. Horizontal.
yeah, that is easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want to put extra space in between, tell me how to do it. Because
Yeah.
it's look very bad. So I want to put a space.
Then you have to go like I equal I space equal, then it's plus.
No, we have to introduce a string between two double commas.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I means my first I. 1, right?
Yes. And then double strings is like double commas in a space.
Then we have to put a space. Simple. That is our, yeah, you see?
Yeah.
Plus, always plus and space. Yeah.
Yeah. So, okay, forget about this. That is different case. But always I will teach you like this. So that is better, I think. So instead of theoretically finish one topic, better to, learn by solving problem. I don't know. You guys like it, it's fine. Otherwise,
No, it's like, no, it's good. It's good.
That's so
otherwise,
good. We learn. Yeah, we learn new things. Yeah.
yeah. So it is a good way for me. So if I go a problem and I can introduce the problem, I can solve it. Otherwise, I can teach you what is data type in 3 class, 4 class, but it is very boring and you'll forget everything. We don't need that much things too. We need whatever we need, we'll cover those things.
Gotcha.
Okay, so that means ln, if you remove ln, it will be print side by side. Okay, but now come to the point. So my question was 2. Our problem is 2 here. So we want to print 1 to 10
And
and,
now the sum of 1 to 10.
and sum of 1 to 10. For this block, this code, we already learned automatically print out the number 1 to 10. Now sum of the 10, sum of all numbers. So how we can do it? So to doing this, think carefully. So for doing this, we need a kind of mechanism, summation mechanism. So how it will be calculating? First, think about this, how it will be calculating. If this is the way to calculate. But in this loop, in this program, in any loop, is there any way to add all those 10 number at a time? No, because loop is counting one by one, right?
Yes.
First, it takes 1, then come here, then goes here, come here, come here. So one by one. So this is not giving you 10 numbers at a time. So there is no way I can add all 10 numbers like that way. So there should be a mechanism for
Yes.
any kind of addition. So inside loop. So what is the mechanism? Mechanism is you have to declare a variable like this and put it result, because I put result, so make it result is fine. So result. So I declare a variable. It's called result, and this result is integer type. Of course, we learn these things because it is holding the number, because it will be holding the summation of all 10 numbers. That means it is a number. If it is a number, it should be integer, or it should be long, or it should be a whatever, byte or other stuffs. But normally integer is fine. If it is decimal number, then we will put, but there is no way it will be decimal. Then it will be
Integer and double. Yeah.
float or double. So, okay, I initialize a variable. This variable is a future variable. Keep it in mind. This is a variable, but the value of this variable will come later in future. Whenever you declare any variable and that variable is number type like integer or other stuff, and the value will come later, not now, then you have to have initialize with 0.
Okay.
That is called initialization. That is a future variable. The value I don't know. This value will come after execution, but I am declaring this variable. I can declare this variable like this, but it will be not working. Why, I'll tell you. But always remember, if you declare a variable for future use, always initialize the variable with 0.
But if we do like int I equal to 1, then it's executing in the right way, no? Not future.
Yeah, it is right way, because we know what value we need for I.
Okay.
But here, do we know what value we need for result? We don't know. It will be a calculating result, right?
Yes.
And it is our giving result. We want it, we desire it. We want I equal to 1. But we don't know. It is we don't know what value the result should be or result will be. We don't know these things, right? In that case, declare the variable and initialize the variable with 0. Must. Don't forget it. Okay. Now, why I declared this variable? I have to store the partial summation, right? Okay, okay, I'm not making complicated. So just remember, I declare a variable is called result, and this result is future variable. The result of the value of the result will come after execution. That means in future, and this variable, result variable, will be holding the summation of 1 to 10. That is the case here. So now start with this. So to do this, to sum up all these numbers, what I have to do? I must have to run a loop, because I have to take this number, then I have to add this number with this number, then I have to store this summation, and I have to add this number with these two. So it will be working like this. So try to understand. First 1, then it will be add 1 with 2 is 3. It will be holding. Then come to second execution. Always computer program do addition like this. Then 3, because last summation was 3. Last result is 3.
3
3
plus 4,
plus 4.
7.
It will be 7.
Then 7 plus 5,
Then 7 plus 5.
which is 12. 12 plus 6,
Six.
this 18 is 18 plus 7. It's 25. 25 plus 8, which is 33. 33 plus 9 should be 42.
Yeah, 42.
Then 42 plus 10 would be 52.
That is the way.
Yes.
That is the way, and program will do like this, not like 1 plus 2 plus 3 like this, right?
Yes.
So how to do it? So that is our problem here. We will solve it. So always remember,
Mm.
computer program will be running the series of number like that way. If you use a loop, okay. So, Baya, you understand, right? You guys need break? 2 minutes.
Try to understand. Yeah.
Yeah. In the meantime, you guys need break, right?
No, that's fine.
That's fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Try to understand. So that is the way. So if that is the way, then how can we do it? Very simple. Try to understand from here. So we already understand how to do it. Create a loop, index, give the condition, and increment the number, and inside the loop, write print.
Print them, yeah.
It will be displaying. And now we add a new condition here. We have to add the first one with the second one. So doing this, here I declare a variable result. It will be holding the result. Okay. And initial value is 0. So the first I print out the number, then come here, make it enable.
Then it should be result plus I, right?
Yeah. Make it okay. So now come to here, result. So I first we initialize result equal to 0. That means what? This result is 0, and
What is
0
the-
plus
1.
and result will be holding here. Sorry, not 0. Yeah, 0 plus 1. So here we have to change it. You got my point, right?
Yes, 0 plus 1, the first
So
check.
here 0 plus 1, because we started this one 0, initial value. So result is 0. So 0 plus I, that means
1.
1. And this result will be holding here. So we started result equal to 0. Then loop started, print out this one. Then here we come. Here what is happening?
Here is 1.
Always another thing, remember, always value is assigning from right to left. So whenever you read this line, you will read this line from right first, then left. Okay, that will be easy to read.
One more time, yeah, twin. Just one more
Okay.
time.
So
What is it?
always for in variable the declaration, right? You
Yes.
should read right to left. Suppose here, what does it mean? Not result equal to result plus 1. It means result 1, result plus 1 equal to result. Is easy to write. So if
Gotcha.
you read these things fast, then come here.
It makes sense, yeah.
That is the way.
Yeah, got you.
So right to left. So here
0 plus 1, so
my
the right.
result is 0. So 0 plus I, that means 0 plus 1 means 1. So now we assign 1 to
1.
this.
Yes.
Now come to here. It is the last line of the loop and condition was true. Then jump back to here. Then compare this one. It is good.
Yes.
Print 2. Come here.
Result was 1.
So come here means here. So result, what is the result here?
1.
1 plus 1.
Yes.
2. And this value is stored in here.
Yeah.
Will
Then 2
be
plus 3. Yeah. And it will keep on
Then
going.
come to here, again here, here, then here, then here. Try to understand this one. I just need 1 minute. I have to grab a glass of water, okay?
Gotcha.
Yeah. Bio also. Just try to understand. Wait, okay, I'm back. So yeah, I think Wasim understand. Bhai, did you understand the process?
Mhm.
Remember these type of I'll cover all those things. Must in first interview. So when they give you a whiteboard kind of problem solving interview, must ask or give this type of assignment. Little bit tricky, little bit, but 100% this kind of things. And we will cover all those interview related problem. Then it will be easy to crack the interview. Okay, and this is very important to go learn any programming language. That is the foundation. So okay, so first 0 plus 1 1, store 1 here, then come here, then 1 1 2, then come here, print it out, then come here. So 1 plus 2 3, then store it here, then come here, compare it here, then now it is 3, then okay, same thing, it was 3 plus the value of I, then it will be storing everything. So now the thing it is 10. Okay, thing is 9. So whenever it is 9, here, come it here, add plus 1, become 10. 10 is true, come here, print out 10, come here. So it will be adding I equal to 10, 10 plus the previous result of result, then both are stored here. The final result of it. Okay, here. Then come here. It is true. Then come here. Add +1 with 10. It became 11. That means this condition is false. It will be jumping where? Here, right? So if it is coming here, okay, make it enable. So it comes
So,
here.
so if
So
here, that means total sum equal to
to sum, we don't need sum here, we need result.
Result, yeah.
So jump it here because loop breaks now because I is 11, come it here. So here we are just printing nothing. We are just doing nothing. We're just printing the final value of
Yes.
result here. Clear?
Yes.
Bhaiya, okay, run it. Run it. Ashraf, if Ashraf, he knows these things very well, right, Ashraf?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Yeah, it's pretty basic, yeah.
okay, now my question. Bhaiya, you understand 100% because we will be not moving if you don't understand 100%. You can watch the video, then you will understand more. But
yeah,
for now, you understand or not?
yeah, I understand.
Because so that is the case. Now, if I ask you, I want to both things. I want the final result of 10 numbers, and I want to get the result, partial result. Partial this means in every iteration, it will be adding, right? In every iteration, it will be adding two numbers, like 0, 1. I want this number 2. The first one was actually here. Let me do it here. The first one will be 0 plus 1 because my result initial value of result is 0. So it will be adding 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 means 1. So if I ask you to give
Yeah, we will
this
just
result.
yeah.
So
So
my
it print I.
my second question was here. I need the result like this. 1, then I need 3, then I need 7, then I need 12, then I need, if we don't make mistake, then it's fine. But I think you understand. 8, 18, 25, then 35, sorry, 33, then 42, and I think we made a mistake in calculation, but it should be something.
Now I'm thinking where we can put this comments.
50.
Is it before?
Okay, yeah. So that is our goal now. Our goal 3, printing all those numbers, printing summation of this number.
And printing each iteration.
Now we are adding, we have to print out each iteration, every iteration. How can you do it? From this code, tell me. Everybody can tell you.
So we will just write system.out.print and then just I.
Wait, tell me.
The
line number, you can tell the line
No,
number.
I think you can write before system, like system out, like after, like line number 7 in between 8.
Okay, you are saying, Bhaiya is saying what?
Like after that, like before 8.
Here?
No, after result.
No, sorry. It's a before 9. Before 9.
After result, we should print it out after result.
Here? Before 9 means here?
Yeah. Here.
What we have to write?
System.out.print ln and I.
Okay.
And then, no, I plus.
What I will write here? Tell me.
Let me like I equal to, sorry, no, not I. Sum equal to.
Sum to we remove sum. Result.
Oh, sorry, result. So it should be a result equal to I, result plus I. Result plus I.
Okay. Result equal to result plus I says.
Yeah, result plus I.
Okay. So Hashim, is it good? Sorry, you said I.
I, not 1, I.
I am not asking Ashraf because Ashraf knows this is fine. Or if you Ashraf doesn't know, Ashraf, if you have confusion, Ashraf, you can tell also.
Result plus I.
Okay.
Result, I.
Is it good, Washim? What do you think? I will execute, then we'll see the result.
No, I don't think it's fine. But yeah, just give it a try. I don't know. Yeah.
Okay. Before running it, let me explain what Baya said. Okay, he said, look, I'm not going through this because it should be clear. So he's saying I equal to 1, then system out the value of I, that means 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, yeah.
He is printing system out println what? Result. Result means 0 plus. Okay, right, read from here. So result equal to result plus 1 means result
0 plus I.
I. So 0 plus
I.
I.
It means
So I'm printing result. Okay, fine. Then come here. What is happening here? Result again. Then result is 1. Then it is adding 1. I'm getting the value of result. So instead of doing this, I have to remove it, right? Got my problem? Got
Yes. Yeah, I got a point.
Bhaiya,
Yeah,
you
same
got,
thing.
yeah, Washing
Same
understand.
thing.
Bhaiya, do you understand? So I can put the result here again, right? Look, your result is here now, right?
Okay, yeah, same thing. Basically, the same thing.
0 and 1 is added here, so your result value is 1 now.
Yes, one.
Now you come here. The same thing is happening here. So your result is now what? Your result is 1 here. And it is adding 1, another 1. So your result become 2.
Yes.
It is invalid, right?
Hmm. Yes. Because you don't want to add 1 to 1. You want to add
Right.
2 to 1. Yeah.
So
You
in
want to
that
add the
case,
integer.
you have to comment out this one, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now still there is a problem. So result equal to results plus 1, he said. So actually you can't put this right way, like this. Let me run it. It will be easy to you and easy for me to make you understand.
The
Okay, that error. Okay, okay, it's fine. So we remove this line. So now it is happening what? It is printing and your result will be printing here. It's fine. But these things we should put in separate. Logic is okay. First we are printing every iteration, but that was wrong. We have to remove it. So every iteration is printing here and result is incrementing. So in that case, we don't need to put result equal to result here. That is only correction we need to do. Why? Because whenever we are printing result here, the value of result automatically updated this value. Got it? So we don't need to write, yeah, result equal to what happened? Just a minute. Okay, here should be here. Okay, let me correct it. Not like this. It should be result. Okay, actually, we can do this one very simple. In that case, copy it, put it here like this. Okay, so it will be iterate and storing the result here, and that is the correct one. And we are printing result.
No, I need to understand this one. Yeah.
Got it? So now run it. You see? That is the correct one. We are seeing the previous result because we need to clean it up. Just a minute. Control C.
Can you make
Yes.
the terminal a bit bigger? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Now run it. Where is it?
Yeah, you can make the screen bigger for the terminal. You can drag it over.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't understand. Yeah, I need to be understand.
There is some issue too. We fix it. Okay, tell me. It is coming like this. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. First one, why first one came? Because it is not issue, it is valid result. First one is this one, and second one is result value. Result value is 0 plus 1, that's why 1. So it is perfect right now. But it's look weird. Let me fix it. Index value.
Or iteration plus
Yeah,
I plus.
we can do what? Iteration, okay. Iteration equals to,
Plus I.
okay. And here we are printing the result, the partial result. Just write down. Now it will be looking good. Run it. And total sum is done. Okay, you see, iteration 1, partial result 1. Iteration 2, partial result 3, right? Iteration 3,
Yeah.
partial result 6. Iteration 4, partial result 10. Then 15. Iteration 6, 21. 7, 28 for iteration 36. Then iteration 9, 44. Then iteration 10, 55. Got it? So what you made mistake? Well, not mistake. So never put result equal to result. I forgot what you said, but never. Just write this way. So what is happening here? Same
Yeah,
thing.
can you please explain? Yeah, I didn't
Yeah.
get it. Yeah.
You understand this one? I explained. So
Yeah.
whenever we do sum and anything, we have to declare a variable, and the variable initialization value will be 0. That is the number one thing. Then because we are summing up 10 numbers, must we need a loop. We understand the loop. Inside the mechanism of loop, we know that.
Yeah.
The first statement in here, our problem, we said it will be printing every iteration number, right? Or every number. What we are actually adding up, it will be printing one by one for every iteration. So it is doing this. So first one, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then second problem was I need to add the number, partial number, like first iteration number with the second iteration, like this. So it will be adding up the number for each iteration. Partial number is called. So then we have to store the summation of first two numbers. So first two numbers means the first iteration. Okay, first iteration, this one, I, and my result is 0. So I plus 0 is 1. It will be storing in the result. Then it will be printing out. So that is storing the result, and we are actually printing the value, the partial value here in the result. Then fine, then come here. Then go back to here. Then I equal to 2. Compare, it is good. It is true. Then print out the value of I, 2. Now here, come here. Then my result is what? Result is previous result
That's right.
was 1. So now 2 plus 1. And these 3, value 3 will be adding with result. Result is holding the 3. Now we are printing the value of result here. Okay, fine. Then come back here. Here, now is 4, fine. 4.
That I understand. But the
Then
last
4.
one, I didn't
Yeah,
understand.
so everything is going on cool. Now things like it is 10. Come here. 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Condition is false.
That's fine.
Then jump to here directly. Whenever it's come to here, now every time result is updating here, result is holding that number. So when it was 9, just come to the 9. When it was 9, here, 9. So 9 means iteration 9 here. When iteration 9 was here, our result was
45.
36.
36, yeah, 36.
Our result was 36. So when it's come here, our result was 36. When it's come here, as an example, then it will add a 10, then 10 is good, then print out 10 here, then 36 plus 10. Sorry.
Iteration number 9, it will add 9.
Yeah. Sorry, it would be 45, right? Yeah, sorry, 45 and 55. Think about this one. So in 9, I am in iteration 9. So iteration 9 hit it, the value of this is 45 result, right? Yeah, my value result is 45. That means this is 45. So now come to here, iteration 10, back to here. It will be working. 11, no, 9 is fine. Okay, go one by one. I just messed up. Okay, so for 1, it is 1 plus 1, 0 plus 1. So result is 1.
1.
Here, go one by one. It will be clear because it's first class. 1. Okay, then come here, goes here. So 2. So result will be what?
1 plus 2.
1 plus 2, 3. Okay, iteration 3. Here is 3. Then print out 3, then 3 plus 3, 3, 6. Then iteration 4. Here, 4,
6 plus 4.
then 4 plus 6,
10.
10. Then it would be 15, then 21, 28, 36. Okay, now the last one. Whenever 10 is added with 45. So think about iteration 9 here. 9 to 10 is become 10. It's true. Then it is printing 10. Then come here. Come here. The 45 is there and adding 10. It's become 55. So this result is become 55.
55, yes.
Okay. So the result is 55. That means this result is actually updating this result too. Okay.
Yes.
And this result is outside the loop. And this result is calling the outside the loop. That means it will be getting the final result. Think very simple way. So I am updating the result. Every time I am updating the result, this result will be updating too, right?
Yes, 100%, yeah.
Yeah. So then when we went actually outside the loop and asking the value of result, this result is giving us the original result, not this one. Same thing, this one actually updating this one. So actually here we are calling this one. Because every time we are holding the value of result here, that means it is updating. It is updating, not a problem. It is updating.
Because it's in a loop, yeah, it's in a
Yeah.
loop, so it's updating.
So
but when it's out of
in
the loop, then it will go to the first one.
Exactly. The final result, the result is updated this one. Then whenever we actually go out of the loop, it calls this one. Result, because it is here. The value of the final result is actually stored in the result. So I just call the result outside the loop. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, Bhaiya?
Yeah, clear. But one thing I just doubt about the one I made a mistake, but you correct me on that. That is result equal to result. So which one is that one?
Here is no better and nothing. That's the rule. You can do like this. Result equal to result. You can do this. Instead of doing this, if you want to keep your things, then instead of doing this, you can actually write. But I don't recommend this one. You can write this like this. You can like.
Yeah, can you go scroll down a little bit? Scroll down, no, more scroll down. The question, the number 3. This question, no. the number, no. Scroll down. It will down. Yeah, 25. So 25, the printout, the first one is fine.
Here we
Second
made a
one is,
mistake. I think here it should be 55. Yeah, it's fine.
no. I'm not talking about the number. I'm
Mhm.
talking about the logic.
Hmm.
You say we want to see this thing. So I'm talking about the number 3 questions. Why? What is the explain this one?
This
1,
one.
2. This one.
Yeah. So this one what? The first means initial value of result plus the first value of I. Then second one, the
2 plus 1
current
is
value
3.
of result plus the second iteration number. It is always current. Yeah, it is like this.
No, that I understand, but the printed, I'm talking about how when you print it in logic, that's the line number 10, the partial result equal to result. Which one is in black? Let me see.
Whenever you call this result, that means this result. Instead of writing it, you can do it like this. That is your question. I got it. You are asking me to write result plus I. Sorry. I, right? You are asking me this?
Yeah.
What is the problem? If
No,
you
it's not a problem. I just let's
no,
think
run it. Let's see what happened. You see? What is the problem?
070201. A partial result 01.
Why? Tell me.
Result equal to plus result plus I. I value is 1. And result is 0.
Even you said remove it, right? That time you said okay. So if you write like this, it will be happening like this. It's not valid code.
Okay.
It is actually adding. Tell me, that is another important thing. It is considering result as a string and I as a okay. It is actually not doing arithmetic operation. It is doing concatenation operation.
Yeah.
It is actually taking the value of result. The value of result is 0 and adding
I value.
I value is 1. But it actually considered those two things as a string and adding it. Yeah, we can solve it here, but it is little bit different. I didn't cover this topic. It will be later, right? So,
okay, fine. Then it's
so
fine.
yeah,
Okay.
don't mess it up. We have
No.
parsing and other stuff, right?
Yeah,
But
go
don't
back
do
to
it.
yeah.
Don't do it. Do it like this way. It is actually adding this number, not arithmetic way. Yeah, this is the perfect code for these things. So we are adding
First print iteration, and second print was result plus iteration. Result plus I.
that print is final value of result, and that print is partial result, partial summation of result.
That means that was my question.
If you go line by line, you will understand, right? If you go later, if you practice by yourself and write this code, you will understand everything. Because here we are adding 0 plus first iteration, then store inside this result and print out this result here. But print out this result here, and we also keep updating this result too. All things happening together.
Because of loop.
We are adding these two and put the value here. We print out this value here, but we also update the result value is here automatically because same variable. If you put it like result 1, suppose this is result 1 as example, that is result 1. You see, it is red. because all are same variable. Got my point?
Yes, I got it.
Whenever you update any one, it will be update. All will be update. Actually, here is nothing all. The same variable we are using everywhere, right? So you see, now this variable is unrecognizable because they don't know what is the result, because result is not declared anywhere. To solve it, you have to do it. Okay, I'm just giving you an example. To solve it, you have to write, like you have to declare the result variable anywhere. You can declare it inside. Even if you want to declare in inside, it's called a scope variable. That was global variable. You can write int the declaration of variable result equals to 0. You can write it here. If you write it here, the result value will be here, here, here. We are printing partial result here. So how can we? Okay, good question. So that is our final result. Okay, so make it good way. Final result. F means final and P means partial result. Okay?
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
Okay. And we declare P.
Now it makes sense. Yeah. Now now we understand which is partial, which is the final result.
Now that's I'm changing frequently so that you guys can understand. And that is my final. Okay. Now, okay. So final result is 0 because we don't know. Initial is the variable. Then we run the loop. Inside the loop, we print out the partial result and the final result. It will be running. Tell me. It's very good, not a problem. What is the issue here? Anybody? Think 2 minutes, then tell me the solution.
There is something wrong here.
Ashraf also. Ashraf is here.
No, Twin, there is something wrong here.
Here code is perfectly okay, everything is okay, but here my final result will be not coming, right? You see. That time we use the same variable, that means sync up. It was syncing up, it was updated everywhere. Whatever internal change happened, it was updated here. But here, the partial result variable is printing out and it is updating. But the final result, it is still 0. Right? Am I right?
Right.
Because you put a variable inside the loop, initial variable. That's why final result is 0.
That is not a problem, I think so.
Yeah, so I put the initial partial variable inside the loop, but I also need the final result. So how can I fix it? The final result is still 0. And that time, previously we used the same variable, and same variable, a partial result is updated, is also updated itself. The result is always updated in the loop, and we actually stored the final result, and we call that result outside the loop. Now, actually, we are using two variables. One is final, give us final result, and another give us partial result. So partial result.
If you remove the
Okay, run it. Better run it. Right? Run it. You will see. You see, the total sum is 0.
Yeah.
Okay, if you remove the partial result equal to
And
0.
another mistake is here because yeah, I'll tell you, another result is here. Every time it is getting 0.
So here you have to put another variable like final result equal to the partial result.
Now here is totally wrong. Okay, so here couple of issues here. Number one, if I declare the partial result here, I initialize 0. So every time loop is coming here, partial value is refreshed, become 0. Another problem. The partial result is 0. Then I print out the iteration number. Then
0 plus 1 is a
I
1.
added partial result plus the iteration number 1. Partial result is here. Print out partial result 1 here. Then come here. Then come here. Then again come here. I am making, I told you, right to left. So I again erase the current value of partial result with 0. So every time partial result
Yeah, last iteration,
is 0.
it's coming the 0. So that's why you have to put the outside is the final result equal to the partial result.
In that case, okay, I'm giving you number 1. This is the great mistake.
Yes,
You
yes.
can declare variable, internal variable inside a loop with initial value. What is happening inside? Every time the value is replacing with 0. That's why we are getting partial result like this 1, 2, 3, 4. We are not getting any partial result. You got this problem?
Yeah, this is just iteration number.
Yeah. So it is actually every time it is adding 0 plus I. 0 plus I. Here what is happening? It is adding 0 plus I every time like this. Every iteration it is adding 0.
It doesn't adding any value, any element of the loop. It's only iteration number, index number it's
So
adding.
that is number 1 rule. Never put variable with initial value inside a loop. So you have to put it outside.
That means you're talking about the global, not the local.
Yeah.
So if you do like this, now is working because in partial
Okay.
result. Yeah.
Okay. Now still our final result is 0 because we are using 2 variables. So if you run it, it will be one issue is fixed, but the final one is not fixed. Look, one issue is fixed. Now partial result 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, 36, 45, 55 is good, perfect. But our total sum is 0, right? It's still 0.
Still 0. That means.
So we don't need to use 2 variable in that case. So we just used it to, no, I understand. We never use 2 variables because it is 1 variable job. That's why this problem arises. So now you have to sync up final result with the final partial result. Final partial result means final result. So you can put P result means the final result, but you want to use 2 variables. So what you can do here, you can update with partial result with this one. So how can you do this? This one equal to this one. You can always put, instead of doing this, you can do here to here. But I don't prefer it, but for your understanding, okay, we can put it here. Let's see, it will be working on it. You see something. Now it will be working. But it is a bad programming, you don't need, but
No, it still is same.
because partial result is 0, why it is some? Oh, let's see.
Save it and then run it.
Should be working. Now somehow maybe there is a little mistake. Okay, let's say we debug it. Iteration, partial result, partial result. Partial result is updating this one. It is actually very complex. Never do it too because it becomes 0 again. Every time it's 0 again. That's why. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Instead of doing it.
Twin bhai,
Yeah.
put this final result equal to partial result, this variable statement inside the loop that will display this final result.
Yeah, we can add this one.
Last
Put it
statement.
here.
Yeah,
So
final result equal to partial result.
partial result.
Equal to partial result. It will confuse.
So every time what it is happening?
No?
So yeah, every
Yeah.
time partial results is printing out, then partial results actually updating the final result. It is going through, then final result is always updated and it will be working. Yeah. Yep.